So today we are going to solve this equation which is based on the concept of logarithm. What is difficulty in solving this question? Since, as you can see, it has three terms, two on the left hand side, one on the right hand side, but with different bases. Here it is base 5, here it is 7, and here it is 25. So how to proceed? If you want to solve it for yourself, you can pause the video, try it yourself. If you can't, then see the solution. So here now I am going to use the logarithmic rule. Log of a to the base b, it can be written as log of a upon log of b. Base can be taken any number. So now apply this formula to these three terms. What we are getting? Log x upon log 5 plus log x upon log 7 equal to log x upon log 25. Now you can very well see कि log x can be taken as common. So I am taking log x as common. Now we are getting 1 upon log 5 plus 1 upon log 7 minus 1 upon log 25 equals to 0. I have transferred all the terms to the left hand side, not right, left hand side. Now look, it is very much clear from here. Log x multiplied by this thing equals to 0. It means what? Either log x is 0 or this whole thing is 0. But you can very much see that this thing will not be equal to 0. We know 1 upon log 5 plus 1 upon log 7 minus 1 upon log 25 not equal to 0. This implies what? Log x equals to 0. Now how to get the value of x from here? Let us suppose we take the base to be equals to a. From this, what we are getting? We are getting x equals to a raised to the power 0, which is 1. It simply means that we are getting x equal to 1 as its solution. Now substitute this value here. Log 1 to the base 5. Its value will be what? 0. Log 1 to the base 7. Value will be 0. Log 1 to the base 25. Value will be 0. 0 plus 0 equals to 0. So it satisfies this condition, and therefore x equal to 1 is the correct answer. Because any number raised to the power 0 is 1. So finally we got the solution. X equals to 1 is the solution. So do comment, subscribe and like.